Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today, we use home and cooking verbs and the present simple with he, she, and it in writing.
Great. I want to practice writing simple sentences.
First activity, listen and write. You listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second activity, make a sentence. You create your own sentences with useful verbs.
That sounds useful for my writing.
Yes, and we will start with listen and write. Listen and write. This is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay, I will listen and write carefully.
Step 1. Listen to the whole text. First, listen to the full text to understand the idea. Step 2. Write what you hear. During the dictation, write the words and sentences you hear. Step 3. Check and correct. After writing, compare your text with the original and fix mistakes. Keep your pencil or keyboard ready.
I am ready.
Good. Now listen to the dictation. Every morning, Mia cooks breakfast in her small kitchen. She washes the fruit, chops one apple, and mixes it with yogurt. Her brother Tom does not cook, but he cleans the table. Does Mia close the kitchen door after breakfast? Yes, she does. Now I will read slowly, piece by piece. Nexo, are you ready?
Yes, I am ready to write.
Great, let us begin. Every morning. Mia cooks breakfast in her small kitchen. She washes the fruit. Chops one apple. And mixes it with yogurt. Her brother Tom does not cook. But he cleans the table. Does Mia close the kitchen door after breakfast? Yes, she does. Well done, everyone. Nexo, how did it go?
It was good, but I need to check some words.
Now you can compare your writing with the original text and correct mistakes. Make a sentence. Now you will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use he, she, or it with the correct verb form.
So I can write simple sentences like, she cooks dinner.
First, see an example. We will listen to Nexo do the exercise so you have a model. Second, make your sentences. You create your own sentences with the main words and the helper words. Nexo, are you ready to make sentences?
Yes, I am ready. Cook. She cooks rice on Monday. Wash. He washes the cup after lunch. Chop. She chops an onion for soup. Mix. He mixes milk and eggs. Clean. She cleans the kitchen every day. Open. He opens the door in the morning.
Nice work, Nexo. Now it is your turn. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You practiced writing with cooking verbs and the present simple. Keep writing simple sentences every day.
Thank you, Emma.
See you in the next writing lesson.